guys, welcome to my channel Nxt Creators. In this video, we will be creating a number guessing game using Python. Okay, so what is this number guessing game? We will be creating this number guessing game using random module. The computer will generate a random number for us to guess it, and we will be giving an input to guess the random number generated by the computer. So we will be giving the 3 tries to user to win the game. So if he loses in the 3 tries, he will be losing the game. If he had won in the given 3 tries, he will win the game. So without delays, let's go through our code editor. So here's our app.py in number guessing game folder. So for more interesting games or any Python projects and tutorials, please like, share, subscribe my channel. So first we will be importing modules. So we will be importing random. I will give this code in the description, so please follow the description. Okay, and this will generate a random number integer from 0 to 9. So we will be creating a variable called number and using random.randint from 0 to 9. This will generate a random number from 0 to 9. We can say that. And we'll be creating a function called game. So for preventing error here, I will be using pass argument. So I will be creating a for loop to give the user 3 tries. For I in range, okay, this is the number of tries we give. I have given 3 tries, so you can give the tries you need. So, and this will ask the user to guess the random number. So we'll be creating a variable called ask user and convert this also in integer because we have generated a random integer, right? So convert this input into the integer and ask enter the random number and give placing the input in the new line. So we need to create the conditional statements now. For that, if ask user is equals to number, print you had guessed the correct number in I tries. What is I? Okay, I is the variable which will keep a hold of the number of try. So we'll be giving, if you won in the first try, you had guessed the correct number in the first try and giving and you won the game. So I will be starting this in a new line to get a better interface. So now if ask user is greater than the number given, what should I do? Is to print you guessed greater, think lesser. So this is the thing which will print if we gone wrong. And if ask user is equals to is less than number, print you guessed lesser, think greater. So this is the code we need to run it. So we will be executing the function by game. Okay, after completing this function, we need to give the user what is the correct number if he lost. To preventing that, we will be breaking the function over here and printing print f the correct the correct number is number. Okay, this is our code. We have completed creating game, so we'll be running this in our terminal. Yeah, it had run. It is asking to enter the random number, so I am entering 5. It's saying you guessed lesser. We need to think greater, so it may be above 5 and below 9. 7. So it's lesser. It can be 8 or 9. Let's check. We have the last try here. Oh, now the correct number is 9. So we have completed our game. So if you like this video, please like the video and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell button. So until then, let's meet next time.